Good evening, students. Today we are going to find 2.874 on the number line using successive magnification. This is the method from which you can find the number on the number line. This is a very important question. Let's start. We have to find 2.874 and on the number line. So initially you can see this number lies between after 2 and before 3. So what you have to do, you have to keep a magnification between 2 and 3 because this number lies something here. So next step, this is step 1. You have to go uh, with the steps. Okay, next you have to zoom this number. You have to zoom this number here, like 2 is here and 3 is here. So in the center 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4, like after 2 what will be there? 2.1, 2.2, 2.3, 2.4, 2.5, 2.6, 2.7, 2.8, 2.9 and 3. So this is the method. Now next, what we in there is 2.8. See 2.8, 2.8 is here. So 2.874 lies between something here. So you have to keep magnification here. And next, zoom out here. This is the next step. Now 2.8 here, 2.9 here. Now again 1 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, 2.8, 2.81, 2.82, 2.83, 2.84, 2.85, 2.86, 2.87, 2.88, 2.89. Now what is the next? 2.874 to 2.87 here. Again after 2.87 you have to keep magnification. Now again you have to keep a number line and magnificate here. Next, what is here? 2.87, 2.88. I think you can understand. Next, now 2.87 is here, 2.871, 2.871, 2.872, 2.873, 2.874, 2.875, 2.876, 2.877, 2.878, 2.879. Now what we want? We want 2.874, 2.8, 2.874. This is our number. We just need to highlight this and we got the number 2.874 on the number line using successive magnification. Okay, I think this is then very easy example. You may get this type of question in exam. You may get. So what is here? 2.8, 5.28 bar. Bar on only 228 means it will come repeatedly. It will come multiple times. 5.28, 28, 28 and so on. But what you have to find? Up to 3 decimal places. Up to 3 decimal places. So up to 3 decimal places means after decimal there is 3 numbers. You have to find till 3 numbers means what you have to find? 5.282. 5.282. This is the number you have to find on the number line using successive magnification. Now after 5, so what is here? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 5 and 6. After 5 this number is there, so you have to give magnification here. Here you can write 1 2 3 4 and minus 1 so on. You can write like that. Okay, here you have to keep magnification on the number line. Okay. Okay, next you have to give 5 and 6. Okay, so next 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. We have 5.1, 5.2, 5.3, 5.4, 5.5, 5.6, 5.7, 5.8, 5.9. Now what is there? 5.2. Where is 5.2? Here. You have to keep magnification here. Next step, magnificate that point. Okay, now 5.2 here, 5.2 here, 5.3 here. Now magnificate. I think you are able to understand what I am trying to do. 5.21, yes, 5.21, 5.22, 5.23, 5.24, 5.25, 5.26, 5.27, 5.28, 5.29. So what is it? 5.2, 5.28. So where is 5.28? 5.28 is here. Keep magnification here. Now let's magnificate again. Now what is it? 2.5.28, 5.29. Okay, again same. Total you have to keep 9 numbers here. Okay, so 9 dashes. 5.28 1, 5.281, 5.282, 5.283, 5.284, 5.285, 5.286, 5.287, 5.288, 5.289. So what is the number we want? We want 5.282, 5.282. Just highlight this, and here is the representation of 5.282 on the number line using successive magnification. So dear students, this is the two main question which is easy to understand and solve any type of problem if you understand these two problems. This is a very important questions which may come in at least 3 for 3 marks. Very important question, students. So let's meet in next video. Thank you for watching.